Okay, this is the brain, and right here we have the cerebrum, and this is the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere of the cerebrum. And here, these little folds here are called gyri, or singular it's gyrus, and the little valleys in here are called sulci, or singular it's sulcus. And here is white matter, just the white stuff, and the gray matter is just everything outside of the white matter. Here we have the longitudinal fissure separating the right and left hemispheres of the cerebrum, and right in the center we have the central sulcus, and it's separating the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe. And on the side here we have the lateral fissure, and if we open up the brain, right here we have the parieto-occipital sulcus. And then just to go over the lobes of the brain, here's the frontal lobe, and in the frontal lobe we have the precentral gyrus. It's right before the central sulcus. And here we have the parietal lobe, and here we have the postcentral gyrus, which comes right after the central sulcus. And here is the temporal lobe on both sides, and the occipital lobe is in the back. And here we have the cerebellum, and this is the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere of the cerebellum. And if we open it up, this white little tree-looking thing is the arbor vitae, and this right here is the vermis, just a little worm going down the middle. To review a neuron, this is the soma, and this is an axon right here, and it comes off from here. And this is the axon hillock, where the axon connects to the soma. And these white things coming off are dendrites. And a Schwann cell is just one of these cells right here, or one here. And it's surrounded by myelin sheath, which just covers the axon. And the node of Ranvier is right here between the Schwann cells, and the endoneurium is right here at the end of the axon.